Hello again. Today I'm going to show you the Xiaomi Media nail trimming kit. Now this is quite a space age looking little kit, and it's made by the Xiaomi company in China. They make some interesting things, from house alarms to mobile phones to nail trimming kits. Alright, so let's have a look, see what's inside here. Comes in a nice little soft fill pouch. And let's find the opening, there we go. So inside we're greeted by a very Apple style little box. There's a little clear protection on the top. And it's got the little Xiaomi cat shape on the top there. The box is very nice feeling. It has a magnetic closure. And all of the things inside are magnetically placed, so they can't fall out. So inside you've got a nail file. Looks very, very nice. Very small, but very nice and tactile. You have an ear spoon. I don't know if you've ever used one of these, but you're supposed to put it in a bit like a cotton bud and spoon out the contents of your ear. It's magnetic as well. You've got two magnetically attached nail trimmers, and one is flat, so it's got a flat edge that's curved to the side, and that's used for getting into the little tight areas that you can't usually get into with the round ones. And then you've got a small round set. These are primarily for your fingernails. I don't think they'd be very good for your toenails, especially the big toe. But they are very precisely made and very well engineered. And I imagine they'll give many years of good use. Xiaomi products are very well made usually. And as you can see here, they really do look very nice. Beautifully engineered, precisely made. And then you have a pair of scissors as well. Now these scissors are slightly curved, so they're perfect for, again, cutting your fingernails or toenails or even your nostril hairs. And again, perfectly made, absolutely beautifully made. There's no gaps in there at all. Incredible. I really find their products very nice. They always have a very beautiful look. And the fit and finish of them is absolutely perfect. And they clip in this time. Or they slide in. There we go. So magnetic lid. Oh, it's got another piece of plastic in there. Let's take that out. Magnetic lid, and it closes nicely, just like a giant AirPod box. I could sit and play with it all day, I think. Very nicely made, nicely designed. I'm going to leave you with a set of images now of the product up close so you can see them for yourself. But they're very beautifully made. This was not an expensive product, but I imagine that it will last for many years if looked after. Right, I'll leave you with the images, and I'll see you in the next video coming soon. Take care for now, and leave a comment in the comment section if you need any more information, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.